Now, I think you a little bit confusing about this page. Why it can be like this? Because we have from a public app inside here. We have from here. So you see inside our master page in research, you can see we have include this file from here. So now, what is it? We can inside our view assets like this. We have a bootstrap mixing inside here. That is very cool. We can enjoy the bootstrap framework for responsive layout. So now what we want to do is make how to migrate our application. So let's do inside here localhost, localhost and php admin. Okay, right here I want to create a new database called laravel test. Okay, now inside our database we can create a laravel test and then create no, we don't create a new table inside here. So we are talking about migrate. So what we want to create is make a table users. So we see inside our application inside here you can go to config. Oh yes, config and database. Right here you can use the default is MySQL. So because we are talking about a basic, so now I don't want to use like I said before, I just use a basic server, not just use here, not for like environment homestead or something like that. Just use it for now. So you can create inside here like this. Remove this and then yeah, save. And then what the name of that database is laravel test. And then inside here is username is root, host is localhost, and password no. Because we just full inside here, not for make a connection again. So inside again, I wanna create inside database a migration inside here. You can see we can delete this because we don't need this. We wanna talking about how to create it. So now what we're gonna do is make clear php artisan and inside here make migration. So let's create php artisan make migration and help. Okay, we see inside here we give it a name and then we create the table name and then see php artisan make migration, then create, I'm sorry, I think you need to create the name of the file is create users table like this. And what the name of the table we create users like this. So enter. As you see, created. So we see inside here we have table users and the default increment function of the Laravel. So we can hit here is schema drop. That means we can drop to database our server. So let's go inside here table just for a sample name of string. I'm going to create name and then table again string username and create a table string. Okay, and the last is a table string password. Okay, and what we want to do is actually it's nothing but we can create a schema drop users like that. That's the same result if you know. So what we want to do is migrate our application, and as you see inside here we have a nothing migration. So let's create inside here php artisan migrate. Alright, migration table is created successful, so we can get a structure. We have a user, so we can take a look at the structure. Alright, we have email, a password, and that is timestamp from a Laravel functionality, and then name and then username. Alright, that is very easy. So if you wanna delete, you just create php artisan migrate roll back. I think like this. So you see, okay, sorry, artisan, I think. All right, roll back inside here. As you see the structure, we don't having a user a table again. So you want to create again, you just create php artisan migrate. Okay, that's it. That is very cool. If you do that is a Laravel is very clever, like I said before. That is very cool. So I think for the level basic, you can templating your page or something similar like that. That is very cool. So until the end, I think that's all I think about for basic Laravel 5. So thank you for watching. See you next time.